So I got my drill. You definitely need a level, super important. A tape measure, a pencil, and 2 screws and 2 wall anchors. Okay, today I'm going to teach you how to hang a mirror. I'm going to hang it right here. It's in my kitchen. And the good thing about having a mirror in the kitchen is right before you leave the house, you can take a look at yourself and make sure you're presentable. You know, if something hanging out of your nose, it's good to know before you head out in the public. So the first thing you want to do is you want to measure the width of your mirror. And I have 16 inches. So I'm going to put it right here. And that is 18 and a half. So the difference between 16 and 18 and a half is 2.5 inches. So you want to space on both sides 1.25 inches. We have 2 hangers on the back here. So the best thing to do, and the easiest way to do this, grab your pencil, and I'm just looking for the center. And I'm going to put a little mark right here, and a little mark right here. Okay, so we established how far away the mirror should be from the molding, which is 1.25 inches. Put a little mark there. All right. So I'm putting the mirror like this. So you got to put a level on it. Super important. It's got to be level. And that is level. And it's a pretty good height. I can clearly see myself, and my kids who are a little shorter than me, they can clearly see themselves also. So now I'm gonna go up here where I made those little marks. So I'm gonna put the screw right on my mark, right here and right here. I'm gonna screw it in the wall. Then I'm gonna back it out and I'm gonna screw it in a couple times. You could use a drill, but I'm being lazy. It's just easy to do with a screw. And I make my hole with the screw, but that's not the end of it. Okay. So you're thinking, oh my God, he's stripping it. I'm not stripping it. So I want this hole to be just a little bigger than the screw. And why is that? Because then I take this little guy, a little anchor, I put the anchor. And when you put the anchor in, the screw's gonna screw into it. And then as you screw into it, you can see it, it's gonna flare open like a butterfly. And that holds the screw in comfortably. Look at that, can you see that? I don't know if you can see that, but that is like beautiful. Okay, and I'll do the other. Okay, so there's one anchor, and this is the other one. And you can see, look at it, it just fits. See how nice that fits? Just push it right in. Push it right in there. Okay, so now you have both anchors in there. Okay, so all you have to do, put the screws in. Righty-tighty. Nice and slow. And you can see how I'm leaving a little gap right there because that is what it's going to catch on. Okay, so now you have both screws in there. That is perfectly level. So here's the mirror, here are the hooks, and you just want to hang it. So look for that little mark, the 1.25 inch mark on the side too, because that's kind of where you want to line it up. There we go. Oh, it's a beautiful fit. It's in there nice, I like it. Put a level on it. It's perfectly level.
And that's how simple it is to mount a mirror on the wall. The more you know.